There are a number of different assessments that we can implement for any range or type of clientele or issue. Let's talk about the biogenetic program. Biogenetic program covers two of these assessments. The first is an actual DNA test, whereby you take a saliva and you put it in a little bottle and you mail it out, and you get a 25 page report on what your personality traits are by virtue of that. This is incredible. This is really brand new, cutting edge stuff that's simply phenomenal. And it covers a number of different areas, principally your well-being and your behavioral issues, okay? We then analyze the data accordingly and come up with the results, come up with your restrictions, with your strengths, your weaknesses, and then eventually with the plan. The second part of this is called biofrequency. It's part of the biogenetic plan. Now, the difference between the DNA and the biofrequency is that the biofrequency assessment is based on color and music frequencies.
It is really kind of an innocuous, not a very difficult thing. You answer a series of questions, select, associate different colors with those answers, show preferences to types of music.
Very, very effective, extremely accurate when it comes to character profiles. And what we simply do is we take the potential prototype and we assign frequencies.
We pull together these components, the answers to the questions and the preferences and the genetics, to develop a profile, a natural intelligence profile that we're designing to be able to help people better understand themselves, as well as helping a counselor get greater insights into helping the person that they might not have in other means.
Another analysis that we're beginning to implement is to take your actual DNA strain and match it in a database with other like DNA strains and interpret what's going on with those others. We could conceivably even give you a little touch of what you're looking at, where you've been, and why, with even a greater degree of accuracy.
Taking a DNA sample is a really simple thing. There's no issue. This is not dangerous. It takes 30 seconds. You maybe have to shake the tube for a little bit. This is not anything. There is no risk. So there's absolutely nothing that's going to hurt you in it. And you may learn an awful lot about yourself and whether the genes work out for you or not. You may still learn a lot about yourself and be able to deal with problems that you've had. So I think it's a win-win situation.
If this tool provides everything that, in fact, we hope that it will, it can give a person greater clarity. As I said before, greater self-understanding, kind of understanding more of what they're capable of, their potential, what might be blocking it, and how, in fact, to achieve, their potential by dealing with the blocks and by finding better paths to follow.
We've told you how it works. Now it's up to you. Take the next step. But by taking these assessments, you will achieve a higher level of success, of peace, of understanding in your life like you've never had before. Do it.